Hello students, today we are going to discuss some more multiple choice questions from your subject Power Plant Engineering. We have already discussed the MCQs of two chapters and today we are going to discuss the MCQ of the chapter Diesel Power Station or Diesel Power Plant. Okay, the first question, now see the first question. The first question is, in diesel cycle, what happens in diesel cycle? The options are, first option, compression ratio and expansion ratio are equal. Second option, compression ratio is greater than expansion ratio. And third one is compression ratio is less than expansion ratio. Fourth one, compression ratio is equals to expansion ratio square. So we know in diesel cycle, first the air enters into the cylinder and there the air is compressed, and due to this compression its temperature will increase, and when the fuel inject on that air, then combustion will takes place. So the compression ratio in case of diesel engine is more. As we have discussed, due to compression we get the temperature of air, combustion temperature, ignition temperature of air. So the compression ratio is more or greater than expansion ratio in case of diesel cycle. So answer is option B. Next one, question number 2. Compression ratio of an IC engine is the ratio of, which is the, what is, from the four options, what is the correct one and which is the formula for finding out the compression ratio of an IC engine? So first option is total volume by swept volume. Second one, total volume by clearance volume. Third one, either of the above and none of the above. So we have already knew it, how to calculate the compression ratio. The formula is total volume divided by clearance volume. Okay, answer is option B. Next, question number 3. In diesel engine, the heat lost to the cooling water is, how much amount of heat, what percentage of heat is lost to cooling water in diesel engine? The options are, first option 10%, second 20%, third 30%, then fourth one is 70%. So the answer is 30%. Okay, option C. Next, question number 4. The mechanical efficiency of a diesel engine is defined as, from these four options, which is the correct one and which is the formula for finding out mechanical efficiency? So first one is BHP by IHP. Second one IHP by BHP. And third one BHP into IHP. And fourth one BHP square by IHP square. We have already knew it. It is the BP by IP or BHP by IHP. Brake horsepower divided by indicated horsepower. This is the right answer. That is option A. Next one is question number 5. The temperature of cooling water leaving the diesel engine should not be more than, when all the processes are carried out in diesel engine, the temperature of the cooling water is circulated surrounding the cylinder. So what will be the temperature, what should be the temperature of cooling water when it leaves from the jackets? So the options are 30 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius. So the answer is 60 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, question number 6. Air fuel rate required for combustion in diesel engine is about. What is the air fuel rate that is required for the combustion in diesel engine? We have already knew it, that is 15:1. So the option C is the correct one. Other options are also there, but you knew the answer. So answer is option C, 15:1. Next, question number 7. In multi-cylinder engines, a particular sequence in firing order is necessary. So first point is to provide the best engine performance. Why we are providing a sequence of firing order in multi-cylinder engine? So the options are to provide the best engine performance, to obtain uniform turning moment, to operate ignition system smoothly, to obtain non-uniform turning moments. So as we have already knew it, for the engine performance we are choosing the firing order. That's why the answer A is the right one, that is to provide the best engine performance. Okay. Next, question number 8. most high speed diesel engine work on? First bit is diesel cycle, Carnot cycle, dual combustion cycle, Otto cycle. These are the options. So the most high speed diesel engines are actually work on dual combustion cycle. So the answer is option C, that is dual combustion cycle. Next question number 9. In case of diesel engine, the pressure at the end of compression is in the range of. At the end of the compression, what is the pressure? What is the range of the pressure that is there in case of diesel engine? So options are 7 to 8 kgf per centimeter square, 20 to 25 kgf per centimeter square, 35 to 40 kgf per centimeter square, or 50 to 60 kgf per centimeter square. Actually, the answer is 35 to 40 kgf per centimeter square. You have to remember this. That is 35 to 40 kgf per centimeter square. Option C is the right answer. Last one. Reciprocating motion of the piston is converted into rotary one by connecting rod, crankshaft, crank wave, gudgeon pin. We have already knew that in between the piston rod and crankshaft there is another unit, that is connecting rod, which convert the reciprocating action of piston into rotary motion of crankshaft. So the answer is connecting rod, that is option A. So today we have discussed 10 multiple choice questions, and in the next video we will discuss another 10 multiple choice questions from the chapter diesel power plant. Okay, thank you. Best of luck for your exam.